तेनू दिल वाली गल मैं सुना वा सोनिया वे जरा कोले आजा कोले वे तू आजा सोनिया वे आ भी जा वे आ भी जा तेनू दिल वाली गल मैं सुना वा सोनिया वे जरा कोले आजा कोले वे तू आजा सोनिया वे आ भी जा.
The next team is Bollywood Dimensions Dynamites.
जवानी के रेले देखे हसीनों के मेले देखे दिल पे हो तू ही छा गया तू ही छा गया अरे नैनों में सपना सपनों में सजनी सजनी पे दिल आ गया कि सजनी पे दिल आ गया.
Very good. That was Bollywood Dimensions Dynamites. If you like them, please SMS number 4 to the number 0498 700 500. What did you think about them, Avtar?
I'm forgetting to mark everyone because I'm just glued to watching the dances.
I know the feeling.
No, they're really fabulous. I love the fact that they're actually singing along.
Yes.
You know, I'm of course, Malaika will say more about this, but for me, I think it's important when you're dancing, you must feel it, you must sing it. And that's very important, not just to sort of go through the motions. And I love the fact that they were all singing. Even the young lady that was clearly not Indian, she reminded me of Kangana. I thought Kangana had come, the white Kangana.
True.
तेनू दिल वाली गल मैं सुना वा सोनिया वे जरा कोले आजा कोले वे तू आजा सोनिया वे आ भी जा